Right guys, it's the EdShed. It's a lovely Wednesday in May and I'm going to have a go at the headlining in the old XJ40. Now, as you can see, the original headline has come down and we've hoovered it, but you haven't got all of it. So I need to get some more of that glue off before I try and take those side rails away, before I start trying to glue a new headlining up. Now everyone said, oh, you take the windscreen out, pull out, blah blah blah. Yeah, well, I've done one before very similar to this, and hopefully it went all right. I did have an assistant help me last time, so I don't know whether this one's going to be quite as easy to do. We'll see. But basically the idea is you've got to get all that old glue off, otherwise the new glue won't stick, and obviously avoid getting that board really wet and horrible. So I'm going to try some different types of these stupid little wipes, basically like pre-paint wipes. I was thinking, I haven't got any yet, but I might go and get some, and we'll see what we can do with the rest of it, and we'll keep our fingers crossed. Well, okay, there you go. Jesus Christ, guys. See, there it is. I got the axe to get some things on. And now I've got these. So let's try one of these on a small portion of the back here. Right? Let's see if we can get it clearer. Right. I'm not going to say that that's a success, because at the moment I don't think it is. But is it better than it was? Yeah, a lot better. Will I be fed up until I finish? Oh, you've no idea. Right, so what we're going to say in a minute, I'll just show you, considering this will just be speeded up otherwise. It'll be like, doo, 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 doo. That'll be it. Okay, I show you. Right, I've cleaned that bit there with a wet wipe. I haven't got it too wet, but I've got it just enough to try and get the glue off. I've got all that to go. Yeah, well, obviously I'll bring it back when I've got a bit more, but you get the idea, yeah? Hopefully pre-paint wipes maybe next on the list, and maybe they'll be easier. Right, so following on. Okay, so I've been over it with, yes. Still think there's a bit at the front there, look. Does that look like that's tacky there, right above the mirror base? Right, what's that like there? Is that dry? Or is that, no, here, up, come back towards me. There, what's that like?
That's fine.
Yeah, alright, okay.
It's fine. It's obviously wet.
Yeah, I know it is. I tried to get, that's what I was figuring, I tried to keep it as dry as I could. And that was quite good. I've been over there, it's about 6 or 7 wipes to do that. But yeah, I think that should be okay, hopefully. Got it on me, swallowed it, got it in my nose and my eyes, got bloody horrible stuff it is. If you see anyone that might be going over again, but I did squeeze them out once, so because they are very, very wet wipes. You know, get it? Wet wipes. It's like you just see great big lumps of it that you got to scrape off your nail. But they were really good. They were value pack of clean and go antibacterial floor wipes, suitable for all types, cuts through grease and grime, and it certainly cut through that old glue on the roof. So hopefully, to be continued. We'll let you know when we come back to the next audio part. Right, well, just a quick recap. Obviously cleaning the roof with those things made the board quite wet, and so I've had to have the heater in here for a little while to dry the board, which has done. We have now cut the headline in, and we are now sitting here saying, why Mia? Is that right? That's like something Inspector Clouseau. Anyway, so yes, headlining. Now, yeah, as you all know, this is a sort of popular topic on Jaguars. They never seem to get it right, do they? On any of their bloody Jaguars, the headlines don't stay up. Anyway, so we've got to get this one to stay up. So we've got our glue, we've got our headlining, we've got a couple of cheap knives and a pair of scissors, and I think we need a drink, which we've got. I need alcohol, you need Coca-Cola. How the hell are we going to do it? Oh, listen, we spray the middle of this, and we spray a bit of...
Have we got another set of hands?
Well, I don't know, she's in there,
If we don't
had a
get
butterfly.
hands to come out, like I say, if we get the headlight in and we fold it in half, and then what we'll do...
What, with the good side in the
on
middle?
the inside,
Yeah.
and then what we can do, if we fold it in half perfectly,
Spray a line in the
you
middle.
spray the crease, like, just like an inch either side or two
Yeah,
inches
yeah.
either side, and then
Now we
hold
get it
till
in,
it dries,
get it in and try and get it up, yeah.
and then try and see if we can line it perfectly along the middle, and then get that so that it...
There he is, trimmer.
Yes.
Well, I've got great faith in you, Lee, because, like, you know, when you had to pick up the mantle. So basically, that's it. Looking good. Although, when he took the trim down, I won't mention what he did. But we won't talk about that. So, yeah, it's coming on. So we just got to try and get our other pair of hands. We won't bore you with the woo-woo, or shall we? With the woo-woo-woo, speed it up stuff.
Well, you'd have to set the camera up somewhere where people
Through the
can
front
see it
windscreen?
and speed it up. So, no, because the front windscreen will look rubbish. It'll reflect.
Well, we can't set up anywhere. There's no way we could do that.
You could tripod it low down and have it filming inside of the car, but you'd have to do it from a side where we're not going to be getting in the way all the time.
Should we say, forget that.
See you later.
See you soon. Oh, right, don't forget, like, subscribe, follow me back, and all that rubbish.